Hei! Mulla on täältä tuiskas Syke Jazz Folk Bike. Takar festival, så det är bra axfinnis. This is the perfect place for me to stay while I'm here. This will be my home this weekend. Look at the weather, it's perfect. And I will go for a walk over there. And look what else they have here. Gaita! You see, there's two of them. Now, where's the other one? Oh, the other one's gone, but there's two. I can't remember the name in English. But look at this place. It's like heaven. It's just perfect. I can play. And this is where I will be staying outdoors. Wow, this is so nice. This is, oh my god, this is great. Just for bike tomorrow, Saturday in Syke.